Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, how are you today?
Fine. Very well.
You, sir.
Okay. Okay, before we
Good.
are going to study, please, Mas Kiki, lead the prayer, please. Okay, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, my friend. Before starting our lesson today with Mr. Ramdan, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Mas Kiki. How
Welcome, sir.
how many students are here? Okay, let's find out. Mbak Ari present. Mbak Ari, excuse me, Mbak Ari. Halo, Mbak Ari.
So, sir, there is no sound of her.
Mbak Ari,
Mbak
are you there?
Ari is here.
Yeah. Okay, Mbak
Yes,
Ari.
sir.
Mbak Ari, how are you today, Mbak Ari?
Sir, my speaker is very small in here, so I can hear your voice. I have to look for my headset. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Just look forward for it. Okay, Mbak Dulis, are you there?
Yes, I am here, sir.
Okay, Mbak Heti.
Yes, I am here, sir.
Oke, Mas Kiki. Mas Kiki.
Mas Kiki udah duluan tuh.
Yes, I'm here.
Zoom.
Oke. You look bright, Mas Kiki.
Of course, sir.
Oke, Mbak Saripah. Mbak Saripah. Mbak Saripah. It's
Lost connection sepertinya.
Okay, she's fried. Please, Mbak Raini. How are you, Mbak Raini?
I am good. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Mbak Rizky, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, Mbak Susi, how are you, Mbak Susi? Wow, where Mbak Susi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Still working with
Okay.
my laptop. I'm so sorry.
Okay,
Lagi
only.
ngerjain PR, sir.
Mbak Susi ngerjain PR. Sibuk, sir.
Okay,
Iya.
just Mbak Yanti, yeah. She's not present yet, Mbak
Yeah.
Yanti. Okay, no problem. We will wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what is the material for today?
I don't know.
I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Apa, sir?
I will present this to all of you today. Let's check it out.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Why didn't
Saripa is
you?
coming, sir.
Why didn't you check my presence? I'm here, sir.
Oh, okay. Last I call you, but you not
Kamu
not
tadi
call
tidak
me.
dengar. Kamu tadi tidak dengar. Kamu sudah
Tadi
dipanggil.
tadi sudah
Makanya
dipanggil
kalau guru
Mbak
ngomong
Saripah
dengerin.
tadi, cuma
Kalau
kelihatannya
ngomong
please
dengerin,
gitu. Oke, how are you, Mbak Saripah?
I'm fine, but I'm sorry that
Okay.
my
Okay. Very well. Okay, let's continue to our lesson today. It is about procedure text. Can you see the
Loading,
material?
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's still loading in my device.
Okay,
Yes.
just wait. Okay, do you know what is procedure text?
Procedure text.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Who knows the procedure text? Yeah, that's right. Langkah-langkah, steps. It means step. The other student?
Ya, ingat ada kata prosedur. Oh, berarti prosedur itu tahapan ya, prosedur.
Yeah, great. Mas Kiki, that's great, Mas Kiki. Very nice. Okay, let's continue to the next slide. This is the purpose we are going to study. After you learn this material about procedure through picture, video, and PowerPoint, you will be able to, one is decide the function, structure, the language, and second is to divide the function, procedure text. Next, you will be able to create a procedure text, and last, to use the procedure text with spoken or written. Do you have any question from here? It is clear. Okay,
Yes,
let's continue.
Yes,
let's continue.
Itu kayak gimana?
Okay, we will present about procedure text. Before we are going to the procedure text, let's check your experiences about procedure text. I think you have experience about procedure text. First question, what is manual? Do you know manual procedure text? Manual? No? No idea? Manual? Do you know?
I don't know, sir.
Okay.
I don't know,
Tradisional
Let's continue
Yeah, we don't
to
know.
let's continue to next question. Have you ever used a manual or tips? Do you know
Nah,
tips?
kalau tips ada tips. Ya,
Okay.
tips.
Iya, sir.
What kind of
Tips
tips?
memakai make up.
Oh, make up. Is the girl like make up? Alright. Make up. What
Yeah.
after you get the tips, what will you do?
Follow the tips.
Okay, follow the tips, right? How about manual? We can find manual from our gadget or our vehicle or our gawai. Do you know gawai? Like handphone, printer or monitor, laptop. Do you find a manual or in Indonesia is petunjuk, buku petunjuk? Pernah menemukan buku petunjuk?
Lihat, Pak.
Yes.
Tapi nggak membaca.
Yeah, that is manual.
Saya beli rice cooker.
Oh, dibaca nggak itu biasanya?
Nggak dibaca,
Langsung
Pak.
pakai.
Oh, langsung pakai.
Enggak, Pak, langsung dicolokin aja.
Oh,
Sudah tahu
like
soalnya.
that. Oh, you are expert about the things, yeah, right? So you
Bukan ekspektif, Pak. Cuma coba-coba.
okay.
Kira-kira aja, Pak.
Enggak, Pak, soalnya
Iya.
enggak, Pak, soalnya itu teksnya bahasa Inggris, nggak ngerti.
Okay.
Harus pakai kamus.
How
sulit.
if you found a problem with your device? Do you know how to solve it?
See the manual.
See the manual. Okay, so the manual is important, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Makanya kalau beli
Yeah,
barang jangan
maybe.
yang KW, jadi ada bahasa Indonesianya.
Oh, Mas Kiki tuh suka beli yang KW ya. Okay, let's
Tuh,
continue.
ketahuan tuh, Mas Kiki tuh.
Yeah. Okay, let's continue to next question. Is it useful to have a tips or read manual? Useful or not?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Very
Yes,
useful.
yes.
Ya,
What did you get from manual
berguna
or
sekali,
tips?
Pak.
What did you get? Apa yang kita dapatkan ketika
tata
sudah
cara.
membaca? Oh, jadi
Informasi.
Ya,
Panduan, Pak.
information,
Panduan.
Jadi
step,
tahu.
okay, guide, okay. Let's check to the material about manual procedure text. Do you see the video? I will play this video. Okay, please pay attention.
Ya Pak, diputar Pak, biar kan
Okay.
bisa lihat.
Okay, pay attention to the video. Don't look anywhere. Just look to the video. Okay?
Oke, sir.
Okay, I will play it.
Oke Pak, siap.
Do you hear the sound?
Ini bisa main.
No,
No
sir.
sound.
No.
No sound?
No sound.
No,
Okay.
no, sir. No, sir.
Where is the sound?
I don't know, sir.
Nah.
I don't
Hello
know.
friends, long time no see. Welcome back to Gia Academy
There's
YouTube
sound?
channel.
Yeah.
is your
Okay.
day?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. I can hear.
Please pay your attention. Pay your attention.
Teman-teman pasti pernah mengambil gambar dengan kamera handphone. Dan pernahkah teman-teman mencoba membuat kopi dalgona? Nah, kedua hal tadi pasti disertai dengan langkah-langkah yang harus dilakukan atau disebut juga dengan prosedur. So, in this video, we will learn procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a kind of text that shows a series of order of making something, doing something, or getting somewhere. Procedure text adalah teks yang berisi perintah atau langkah-langkah dalam mengerjakan sesuatu. Procedure text is divided into two, recipe and manual. First, recipe procedure text. For example, how to make toast salads. Recipe procedure texts are a part of procedure text and a list of ingredients and a set of instructions that tell you how to cook something. Recipe procedure text merupakan sebuah teks berisi langkah-langkah dalam proses memasak atau membuat suatu makanan. There are three generic structure of recipe procedure text. Kita bisa lihat dari contoh berikut. First, goal or aim. How to make lemon tea. Second, ingredients. And the last one, steps or methods. Mari kita pahami struktur bagian teks prosedur resep. First, goal or aim. It contains the purpose how to make something. Berisi tujuan teks yaitu bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu. Biasanya terdapat pada judul teks. Second, ingredients. This part describes the elements we need to make something. Bagian ini menjelaskan bahan-bahan yang kita butuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu. And the last one, steps or methods. This part describes the sets of instruction dan pada bagian ini berisi langkah-langkah untuk membuat sesuatu. Language features of recipe are using simple present tense, using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective, using imperative sentences or command, using adverb of time to express details of time. Kita lihat kembali contoh teks how to make lemon tea. Simple present and imperative sentences or command. Adverbial of sequence, adverb of time to express details of time. So, the purpose of recipe procedure text are to describe how something is made in sequence steps, to provide a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to make something, and the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the steps of making something. Jadi, tujuan teks prosedur untuk mendeskripsikan langkah-langkah membuat sesuatu secara berurutan. Let's continue second type procedural text, manual procedural text. For example, 6 steps of hand wash technique. Manual procedure texts are a part of procedure text a book or pamphlet that contains an explanation about how something and should be done in sequence steps. Teks prosedur manual adalah sebuah teks berbentuk buku panduan, pamflet yang berisi langkah kerja secara berurutan. There are 3 generic structure of manual procedure text. Kita bisa lihat dari contoh berikut. First, goal or aim. How to operate television. Second, materials. And the last one, steps or instruction. Berbeda dengan struktur bagian teks prosedur resep, pada teks prosedur manual, struktur bagiannya yaitu the first is goal or aim. Berisi cara melakukan atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. The second generic structure is materials. Berisi alat-alat yang kita butuhkan untuk melakukan atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. And the last generic structure is instruction. Menjelaskan instruksi melakukan sesuatu. Language feature of manual procedure text are using simple present tense, using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective, using imperative sentences or command. Kita lihat kembali contoh teks how to operate television. Simple present and imperative sentences or command. Adverbial of sequence. So, the purpose of manual procedure text are to describe how something is done in sequence steps, to provide a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to do something, and the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the steps of making or doing something. Jadi, tujuan teks prosedur manual adalah mendeskripsikan langkah-langkah untuk melakukan sesuatu secara berurutan. Teman-teman, berikut ini kosakata yang sering muncul dalam teks prosedur. Cut, pour, chop, peel, boil, blend, slice, steam, fry, grate, wash, add, melt, mix, apply, press, put, make sure, turn on, tighten.
Okay. Okay, that's all the video. After you watch this material, this is another example of procedure text. Do you know what this is, manual or
So
recipe?
yummy.
Recipe.
Okay, why do you call this recipe?
It's
It's
good.
recipe of pancake.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it is not good. Itu contohnya
Ingredient.
makanan.
Yeah. We
teacher is,
look the generic
good.
structure. We look for the generic structure. There is ingredients, equipment, then method. Yeah, this is a recipe. How about this? What is this?
Manual.
Manual of
Manual.
what? Manual of what?
Camera. How to
Kamera.
how to put the strap. Bukan.
Okay,
How to
wah.
start using camera, Mr. Ramdan?
Ya.
Ya,
Mbak Susi,
How
Ya.
to start using new camera?
Okay, that's good. This is the new start for new camera. How about this? Do you know what is this?
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner. Is that true?
No.
Oh, I don't think so.
Okay.
What is that?
This is installation
Sewing machine.
manual about some printer. A printer.
Oh, printer.
Okay.
Printer.
Do you
Yeah.
do you feel interest when you see this manual?
No.
Do you understand?
No, it's only.
Do you
I
understand
don't
the
understand
step?
about that.
Do you understand the step?
It will be interesting if I buy it.
I'm hungry. Oh, I just associate food.
Okay. Okay, let's
Gambarnya tidak menarik juga, Pak.
Ya.
Practice.
Let's continue to
Nah,
the next.
Pak, itu ada yang telat, Pak. Pak, ada yang telat, Pak. Itu tuh Mbak Yanti, Pak. Kemarin
Ya, ya,
telat,
Mbak
Pak.
Yanti.
Yanti,
Tadi
Pak.
sudah
I'm so
di chat
sorry,
ya.
sister.
Sudah di chat tadi ada Mbak Yanti. Mbak Yanti, how are you, Mbak Yanti?
Thank you so much, sister.
Okay, no problem, please.
Apa sih ini?
Yeah, yeah. Please be careful to your network, okay, Mbak Yanti.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, let's check out this manual. Pay attention to this manual, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hi, today's video regarding HP DeskJet 2700 series printer, and I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan using this printer. So the first I'll do the copy, and then we will do the wireless scanning and printing using printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system. Now the first step is to...
Okay, from that, what did he say?
Pak, logatnya nggak ngerti, Pak.
I don't know.
What did he
Showing
say?
printer.
Nggak ada
Kira-
teks, Pak.
Ya, kira-kira itu akan melakukan apa?
How to
Aksennya
operate
susah diikut.
Yeah,
Scanner,
that's
scanner.
right. Printer, scanner. This is the function of this printer.
Yes.
Let's continue to the video.
switch on the printer. So press the power button on. Also load the pages in the rear tray. Take the output tray out and just wait for the printer to work. And to do the copy, we need to open the top scanner, place a page facing downwards on the right hand corner and close the lid. Now we need to do the copy, so we go on the control panel. So we have two options to do color or black and white. So first we'll do color. So click it once. The more the number of times you click it, it will print more copies. So you can see it's quick and it's fast in doing the copy. Now
Oke, nyampe sana. Apa yang dia lakukan? Apa yang dia lakukan?
how to copy a paper.
Okay, good, Mbak Dulis. So, what do you think? Do you more prefer about manual in text or a video?
Video.
Okay.
Video because
What is the reason?
tanpa harus tahu
The visual,
tanpa paham aku sudah lihat prakteknya.
Nah, so
we can
yeah.
easily understanding how to operate the printer.
Okay. What is
visual.
the first step to operate the printer?
What?
Sorry,
Sir?
What is the first step?
Turn on.
Yeah, Mas
Press power
Kiki.
button.
Mas Kiki, great. Yes, push the power on.
Open the lid.
What
Then-
we do next after that?
Open the
Open
lid.
the lid.
Open the lid. Okay.
Put the paper inside.
Yeah. After that?
Select the copy button.
Mbak Saripa nggak ikut jawab tuh Mbak Saripa.
Ikut.
Ikut tadi.
Dia makan tuh di bawah meja.
Coba
Copy button.
satu orang kita coba ya. Mbak Yanti, how about Mbak Yanti? Please retell
Satu-satu Pak.
Please retell the
Dulu
step
duluan tadi, Pak.
to scan. To scan to copy a document, Mbak Yanti.
Mas Kiki duluan tadi Pak.
Mbak Yanti, I want Mbak Yanti.
Okay, sir, I'll try.
Oke.
Benar Pak, karena tadi telat Pak.
Ya, oke, siap. Oke. Oke, please.
Okay, press
Ya.
the button.
Ya.
Okay, and then open the lid
Oke.
and you can put the paper on it, on the printer, and after that close the lid and then press the button against. Right.
Yeah, that's very good. That's a simple instruction. So after we watch the video, we can operate this printer, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we go to the summarize. This is from the video. We check out our understanding about procedures text, especially in manual. What is procedure text? So procedure text is a kind of text that show a series of order of making something. Is it recipe or doing something or getting somewhere? That is manual. So the difference between recipe and manual is about making. After that, we go to the generic structure. First is goal aim. It's usually we put the goal aim in the title. Next, the ingredients or material, what is the element to make something or to do something. And then the step or method. This is the key of the structure. Step or method. This is content about instruction. Then about language feature we use in this manual or procedure text. First is simple present. Why we use simple present? Anyone knows? Why we use simple present? Anyone knows? Okay, Mbak Raini Raisen. Okay, Mbak Raini. Please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
We use simple present because we talk about instruction and the time is the present time.
Right, excellent. That's very good question. Okay, Mbak Raini. Keep going, Mbak Raini. Let's check to the next command verb. This is the key of the language feature in command verb because it uses verb that command someone to do something like put, cut, or turn on, turn off, like other. Then we use adverbial of sequence. Next, then, after that, and the last is adverb of time. If in the recipe, adverb of time is usual. Maybe the example for cook for 5 minutes or chop in 1 minute and the others. Sampai di sana ada yang ditanyakan? Gak ada? Okay. Next. The purpose of procedure text manual to describe. First is to describe. Second is to explain. Then to tell. What describe, explain, and tell? This is about how to make and do something through some step. So this is the purpose of procedure text. Next, now we got a summary. Please answer this question. What have we learned today?
We have learned about manual and recipe. Procedure text.
Okay, Mbak Saripa. Next, please answer this question, Mbak Saripa. What is the function of manual?
The function of manual is to give information of how to operate or how to do something.
Yeah, that's good, Mbak Saripa. Next question is, how is the generic structure? Who wants to answer? What is the generic structure of... Mbak Kiki, are you there? I didn't hear your voice, Mbak Kiki.
Mbak
Oh, Mbak Rizky, sorry. Mbak Rizky, I mean Mbak Rizky. Mbak Rizky, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how is the generic structure about procedure or manual text?
I think there's an opening first, sir.
Yeah.
The aim or what going to do and the steps.
Yeah, that's good.
things.
There is 3 generic structure: the aim, the material, and the step. Now, nice. Next question. Who want to answer this? Mbak Ari, please answer this question. How about language feature of manual?
Language feature present tense.
Yeah, present tense. Then comment, ya.
Kemudian apalagi ya? Adverb of time.
Yeah, good, nice. What is the last? Once more.
Yang terakhir.
Yeah.
Lupa saya, Pak.
Coba
aja.
Diki coba satu lagi apa tadi?
Adverb of sequence.
Yeah, good. Jadi semuanya hebat ya murid-murid di sini memperhatikan semua. Oke, keep going.
Kasih, Pak.
The last. Nah, is it important to understand about manual? Ya, Mbak Susi, silakan.
Yeah. Yes, of course, it is important.
Why?
Because we have to know something before we use it.
Yeah.
So we will not make mistake because sometimes I made mistake, Mister.
Yeah.
So it will broken. So
Oh, that's your experience, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
So
it is very useful, teacher.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Read the manual before you use something. Yeah. Okay. Is this any question? No. I think it's clear.
No, sir, clear.
Okay. The last is assignment. There is an assignment. I will send the assignment to our group. This is in form of Google form. You need to do it in your home. Please do the LKPD and submit it before 2 p.m. So before 2 p.m. you must submit it. Okay? Do you understand?
I have another homework, sir. I have another homework.
Okay, just try. The best is before 2 p.m. If you submit it, yeah, if you submit it after 2 p.m., it will decrease your value. Okay.
Oh my God.
Your score is more small. So try to submit it before 2 p.m. Okay. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir. Dicoba ya. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Dicoba.
I try.
Okay.
I'll try my best.
Thank you very much, student. Really? Is there no question? Are you sure?
Sure.
It's clear enough.
Don't you know about your assignment?
I just want to have practice.
The assignment is.
When do we have?
Your assignment is just to listen to the video and write some vocabulary. Write some vocabulary about it. Just I will show you the assignment. Wait. This is the example. Wait. Okay. This is your assignment, please. Nah, you can see it?
No.
No, sir.
Not yet, sir.
On process.
On
Yes.
process.
Yes,
we can see.
Yes.
Nah, this is your assignment. You have to watch and listen again to the video and write some vocabulary. This is especially for action verb. For action verb, what action verb you heard from the video? Okay, understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, do you have any question? No?
No, sir.
Okay, I think it
No,
is.
sir.
I think this is enough for today. If there's no question, so before we close this class, I want someone to lead pray first. How about Mbak Heti? Mbak Heti, please lead for the praise. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, please.
Before we close our lesson today, let's pray together. And the pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Heti. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you
Bye-bye.
will be okay for the next meeting and good network too, so we can attend on the right time. Okay.
Thank you, Teacher Ramdan.
Okay, see you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.